Professor. How are you?
Hey, how are you,
Yeah,
Professor
I'm fine. I'm
Prasen?
fine. So you are in your hotel.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
So started the day with chicken legs and eggs in breakfast.
That's right. That's right. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
you got, yeah,
yes,
you
yes.
got. How did
Have
you
some
know
non
that?
have some non-veg food and in the night time some drinks. Okay.
Sure.
Otherwise,
So
you
we'll
can do
see.
productive research.
I know, I know. Okay, great, great.
It's a very good university. I have been stayed there. I've stayed there since 1.5 years, and all the faculty
Okay,
members, they are young and very much means research oriented, and they are very sincere. So it's a very very
interesting,
good institute and led by a very young team.
interesting,
So
interesting. Very
so the computer science development, even the coordinator, Mr. Digvijay,
excellent,
is also
excellent.
everything. And in this institute there are some means professors means who are really means they have done
Okay,
masters from abroad also.
perfect. This is really
One is
interesting.
Professor Ujjal Divedi. Okay, so
Mhm.
he knows some work on AI. So later on after this talk, I will give his email ID to you. You please have a talk to him. Okay,
Oh, absolutely,
it's a very
absolutely.
good institute.
Yeah, that's very interesting. Okay. By the way, Professor Parasan is my friend, my colleague, my brother, in fact, and he's been an outstanding, super accomplished scientist, and we've been really working together in a bunch of projects, and I'm very looking forward that this is going to be working out in a very silky, smoothly way that we can have a huge number of collaborative efforts and projects together with our PhD scholars, also our postdoc fellows as we move. So we're definitely going to just make a cross link between the efforts that we do at Shiraz University of Medical Sciences and other institutions that I'm linked with the Institute of Professor Parasan and also this esteemed Baroda University ITM SLS. So we got great hopes for continued shared efforts, and we'll see things how they're going to work out for betterment of scientific development and the ease and also welfare of the life of the people around the world. We're just going to have the good deed, and the good deed and goodwill is everything. So things will follow. Thank you, Professor Parasan, for this opportunity just to connect me with the esteemed Baroda University. So I'm very looking forward to today's talk. So whenever you say it's okay, Mr. Stakar, then I'll give it started.
Yes, sir.
Hi, everybody, by the way. Yeah. So fortunately, the meeting is being recorded and we can provide the link to the people who haven't had a chance to join because we are supposed to attend this kind of activities from time zones. And when someone does not find it comfortable to use the timing opportunity for now, that is absolutely understandable. So people may go and use the link to the recorded video later on their own pace, and that would be great if you when you receive any feedback from the communication today, you keep me updated, and we'll see how that's gonna put that into action points because it's not
Yes,
only
sir.
about
Surely.
talking, it's not only about talking, well, it's about doing. So today we're supposed to communicate something which is going to end up with doing stuff, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, if this lockdown and coronavirus has taught us anything, it is that collaboration is not difficult. We can sit on our computers and we can collaborate with people all
Mm-hmm.
over the world.
Mm-hmm. 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 And that's what we're
Actually,
doing.
the
There's,
professor,
yeah.
thing is that this corona, one thing is helpful. Professor Digvijay has told regarding the research. What I am telling that regarding this corona time, you means we get better time to spend with our wives.
That's very true. That's very true. And with the things that you haven't ever seen them quite clearly, because when we are just, under all the tasks and assignments and activities, we don't see the beauty of life. Sometimes when you this break from
Yes,
this,
it's true.
the VUCA, then you sit, you smell your coffee, you drink your coffee, you look at the horizon,
Exactly.
you look at the landscapes around you, the people you love, and the moments you can cherish, then you start to understand how beautiful the life can be. And still you celebrate the moment because we all know that life is quite short.
Yes.
So yeah, and we'll have we got to be more, even more cognizant about the fact that we need to get the best out of our life and just celebrate every single day. So yeah, we got to celebrate things together. Yeah, sure. We'll do that, everybody. Yeah.
So shall we start and
I'm
then we'll
okay.
allow the students to join in?
I'm okay. Sure. So I'm going to share my screen now. And
Yes, sir.
let me share my screen first, and then I'll start the talk. So I go slowly. I know that I'll be having like 40 minutes from now. I know that. And I'm going to be quickly right to the point and hope things will be in a good shape.
Sir, I'd like to introduce you. Welcome you, sir. Good morning,
Oh,
sir.
yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much, Miss Amy. Thanks.
Yes, sir. So, good morning, everyone. Prashant, sir, welcome. Good morning. We have gathered here for an international online series, lectures for 2021. And the topic for today is AI and ML in medical science, neuroscience perspective. And the speaker for the day is Dr. Nami. So I'd like to introduce you, sir. And sir is a PhD holder and HOD, head of department from neuroscience in the University of Shiraz, University of Medical Science. He is a medical doctor and a neuroscientist. He gained his medical specialization in neuroscience and his fellowship in sleep disorders. Not only is he among the university's top ranked scholars due to numerous scientific articles and speeches presented in international congresses, but also he has been recognized as a top rated contributor to numerous international neuroscience events. During the past several years, he has led several brain awareness and multidisciplinary works, conducted workshops on sleep disorders, and gained experience as corporate trainer in the field of professional development skills at Iran. Dr. Nami is currently the head of department neuroscience at Shiraz University of Medical Sciences, the chief editor of two international and neuroscience research letters, the president of Iranian Neuroscience Society Fars chapter. He has been a Dal Shellis alumni since 2014 and has gained further expertise in the field of organizational and leadership training. He has been a keynote speaker in many webinars. Also, he is an advisory board member at the Academy of Health Sciences Cultural Foundation, Scarmentor CS and USA. With this short introduction about our speaker for the today, I would like to uh, hand over the session to Sir. Uh, we can start the session, Sir.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So let me check, something went wrong here. Okay, let me refresh my page.